to the bowl sponsors in the city of Fort Worth, thank you for hosting this bowl and paying tribute to the men and women of the United States Armed Forces. There's no community in America that's more devoted to the men and women in uniform than the city of Fort Worth. Today we are a nation at war. 2.4 million men and women wearing the uniform of the United States and defending the freedoms of all of us. In tribute to them and in gratitude to them, I accept this award. Thank you so much for your service. God bless America. I'm now going to swear in some young men and women who are stepping forward in time of war to answer the call of duty for the United States. Please join me in recognizing them. Please raise your right hand. I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the orders of the officers appointed over me, according to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Congratulations. Thank you for your service.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the newest members of our United States military. Thank you for your service to our country.
Start with a little soul. Add jazz, blues, and rock, a strong dance beat, heavy on the guitar, a healthy dose of brass. You've got that danceable sound from the 70s, known as funk rock. Slide the family stone.
For you today is one of 13 Falcons currently maintaining a falconry team. To keep the program running successfully, cadets and officers in charge invest up to 20 or more hours a week after their regular duties to ensure proper falcon training and handling. Experts believed that falcons could not be trained to fly in front of large crowds. However, the Air Force Academy Falcons have traveled around the country and performed at numerous hockey matches, basketball and soccer games, parades, football halftime shows, and other events since 1955. The Falcons are trained and flown by 12 specially selected cadets. It takes more than 300 man-hours of intensive training to teach the Falcons to fly freely and return to the lure. Our Falcons are taken from their parents at 6 to 8 weeks of age when they are fully grown and fully feathered. The Falcons are trained and flown by all the cadets on the team. Notice the grace with which the Falcon returns to the lure. It has been a pleasure for us to perform for you today, and on behalf of the men and women of your United States Air Force Academy, we would like to say thank you for joining us in yet another demonstration of the only performing mascot in the NCAA. Go Air Force, beat the Bears!
John F. Regney, Superintendent, Brigadier General Susan Y. discharges. The cadet